Feeling constrained by your current banking options? Perhaps you're with Patriot Bank and wondering, is there truly an alternative out there that better suits my financial needs? It's a question many of us ponder, especially in today's rapidly evolving financial landscape. We're looking for more than just a place to deposit our paycheck. We're seeking a financial partner that aligns with our values, offers competitive rates, provides cutting-edge technology, and understands our unique circumstances, whether we're an individual managing personal finances or a small business striving for growth. For years, many of us have relied on traditional brick-and-mortar banks, institutions that have been pillars of our communities, offering familiar faces and established services. Patriot Bank, like many regional and community banks, has built its reputation on this foundation: personalized service, a local presence, and a commitment to the communities they serve. They often emphasize their deep roots and understanding of local economic nuances, catering to individuals and small businesses with tailored offerings. If you've been banking with Patriot, you likely appreciate this community-focused approach, the accessibility of a physical branch, and perhaps the ability to speak directly with a familiar banker. They aim to foster trust and stability, distinguishing themselves from larger, more impersonal national chains or the newer, entirely digital financial institutions. However, the world of banking is far from static. The rise of digital technology, changing consumer expectations, and a renewed focus on specific banking models have created a diverse ecosystem of financial institutions. What might have been considered the gold standard a decade ago might not be the most efficient or beneficial option today. So, when we ask if there are alternatives to Patriot Bank, we're not just looking for another bank with a similar name. We're exploring a spectrum of possibilities that could potentially offer better rates, lower fees, more convenient digital tools, or a business philosophy that resonates more deeply with your personal or entrepreneurial goals. The quest for an alternative often stems from a desire for improvement. Maybe you've noticed Patriot Bank's fees are higher than you'd like, or their online banking platform feels a bit dated. Perhaps you're a small business owner who needs more robust online payment solutions, or an individual looking for a high-yield savings account that genuinely helps your money grow. The decision to switch banks, while seemingly daunting, can unlock significant financial benefits and a banking experience that truly fits your lifestyle. Let's delve into the different categories of alternatives available to you, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. We'll explore everything from other traditional banks, both large and small, to the increasingly popular online-only banks and the member-owned world of credit unions. First up, let's consider other traditional banks. If you appreciate the physical presence and personalized service of a bank like Patriot, but perhaps desire different features or a broader network, other regional or even national banks could be a good fit. Large national banks like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Truist offer extensive ATM networks, numerous branches, and a wide array of products and services, from basic checking and savings accounts to complex investment and lending solutions. They often have sophisticated online and mobile banking platforms, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. However, this comes with a trade-off. You might experience less personalized service, and fees can sometimes be higher compared to smaller institutions or online banks. For small businesses, these larger banks often have dedicated business banking divisions, offering specialized checking accounts, merchant services, and various loan products. For example, Chase and Wells Fargo are known for their extensive small business offerings and their role as SBA lenders. Then there are other community and regional banks that operate in a similar vein to Patriot Bank. These institutions often pride themselves on a customer-first, community-focused approach, emphasizing local decision-making and a deep understanding of their service areas. They may offer a level of personal attention that larger banks struggle to provide, and their fees might be more competitive, or they might be more flexible with their policies. If you value a close relationship with your bank and want your money to support local economies, exploring other community banks in your area or even in neighboring regions could be a fruitful endeavor. These banks often participate actively in local initiatives and offer services tailored to the specific needs of their communities, whether it's agricultural loans or support for local small businesses. Moving beyond the traditional brick-and-mortar model, we enter the realm of online-only banks, also known as neobanks or challenger banks. These institutions have revolutionized the banking landscape by operating entirely online, which significantly reduces their overhead costs. This efficiency often translates into higher interest rates on savings accounts, lower, or even no, monthly fees, and innovative digital tools. Think Ally Bank, Discover Bank, Capital One 360, SoFi, or newer players like Vero Bank and Monzo. Many of these online banks offer highly competitive APYs on their savings accounts, making them attractive for those looking to maximize their returns. Their mobile apps are typically user-friendly, offering features like mobile check deposit, budgeting tools, and seamless transfers. For individuals who are comfortable with digital banking and rarely need to visit a physical branch, online banks present a compelling alternative. For businesses, platforms like Bluevine, Relay, Mercury, and Novo have emerged, specifically catering to the needs of startups and small businesses with features like integrated invoicing, expense management, and even high-yield checking accounts. These online business banking solutions often prioritize ease of use, low fees, and robust digital capabilities. Next, we have credit unions, a distinct category of financial institutions that operate on a not-for-profit model. Unlike banks, which are owned by shareholders and aim to generate profits, credit unions are member-owned cooperatives. This fundamental difference means that any profits generated are typically returned to members in the form of lower loan rates, higher savings rates, and reduced fees. To join a credit union, you usually need to meet certain eligibility criteria, such as living or working in a specific geographical area, belonging to a particular employer group, or being a family member of an existing member. Credit unions often provide a highly personalized service experience, similar to community banks, with a strong focus on member satisfaction and financial education. They are regulated by the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, which provides deposit insurance similar to the FDIC for banks, ensuring your funds are safe. For many, a credit union offers the best of both worlds, the community focus and personalized touch of a local institution, combined with competitive rates and a member-centric philosophy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.